Hi, my name is Matt Guevara, and I'm the owner of Venn Digital Marketing, where we serve coaches, chiropractors, and law firms. Prior to contacting ZenPilot and using ClickUp, our agency was leveraging Basecamp. And we were in disarray. We were growing, and our processes were not fully worked out. And so most of our IP was up here in our heads. It was not in a place that we could depend on or even go back to and check or look through. Those processes were just simply up in our heads. And as a result, we found ourselves getting behind. There was a lot of pain at that point, and we knew we had to get a system in place if we were ever going to grow even more. Along the way, we made several attempts to leverage our existing tool suite to be our process management system and to really lay out all of those SOPs, every single process and all of the steps. We'd made multiple attempts and we had failed. We had not completed the task. We were really at the point of desperation, thinking this is not possible. But because of all of the tools that we were given and the processes and the documentation and the encouragement and the support from ZenPilot, we were able to do that. And it was like pushing a rock uphill, but eventually we got used to it. We became adept and confident in creating those processes and in leveraging the tools inside of ClickUp to make it happen. And so we move forward with much more confidence. We felt great as a result. Once we started using the system, it was an awesome feeling for each member of our team. Now that we've completed our work with ZenPilot, which was a phenomenal experience because we were given all of the tools that we needed to help us get over those pain points. Okay, so we had the project management course and certification, which really gave us an idea of the steps we needed to walk through in order to create all of those processes. And then we were given the templates and tools in order to make ClickUp the place where all of that work could happen. ZenPilot made it very easy, albeit there was a ton of work. It was a huge lift for our small team of three to go through that, but it was valuable. It was well worth it. And having the ongoing support during our 8 weeks with them was absolutely essential. I would not have been able to do this on our own. In fact, we thought about doing that. We thought about making this journey all on our own, and I'm so glad we made the investment into ZenPilot because now we are moving forward with confidence and we have steps and practices that we go through on a daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis to keep us on track. A huge concern for me when I came into the program was how much time is this going to take my team? And I was told, Matt, if you do this well, it's going to take everybody about 10 hours. Now we're a small team, and I serve as the ClickUp champion. And I thought, okay, 10 hours, we will just have to make that work. We will cut and trim and try to leverage as much of our team time together in order to make that happen. And that assessment was pretty spot on, with the exception of a couple of weeks in the middle where we were intensely dedicated to the creation of all of those process templates, which for us, we had somewhere between 100, 200 process templates. And that took a lot of time. That was a painstaking process. It was definitely pushing the rock uphill. But at the end of it, it was so well worth it. And it was 2 weeks of a real huge lift for the entire team. But now we are in a much better place and we're saving time. And as the business owner, I have incredible visibility into the actions of the team and in how we can be even more effective with those processes. So it was time well spent. It really was time well spent.